Hello everyone. Today I am going to give you more explanation on the topic called nominal scale variable. From the last class I have got a query relating to this topic. So let's see what it is. As we know, for a econometric analysis we need to collect data on different variables involved in the study. Let's take the example of consumption behavior of college students. For this particular study, we have to collect data on the different, the gender of the student, age of the student, marital status, income, consumption expenditure of the student, and so on. So we need to collect data on different variables. Then, before going to do estimation, we have to categorize all those variables into four major categories, that is ratio scale, interval scale, ordinal scale and nominal scale, based on these three properties, that is meaningfulness of these three properties, that is ratio, difference and natural ordering. Okay, so here if you take a variable x and which can take values x1, x2, x3, x4, and suppose you want to take the ratio and that will give you a meaningful result, then it is fine. Again you want to take the difference, then it will give you the character of this variable. Then if you want to order it, if it is possible to order it or not, based on that you can understand the character of that particular variable. So let's take the case of income. Here I've collected data from a student who told me that his income in the month of December was 5,000. So I have marked X1 as 5,000. Again, he said his income in the month of January, that was 5,500. Then I have marked it as X2 is equal to 5,500. And then his income in the month of February, I've marked it as X3 is equal to 6,000. Like so, I can mark his income. So here variable is x and x can take values x1, x2, x3. Suppose I want to take the ratio, that is 5,000 by 5,500, it will give me definitely a meaningful result, right? I can interpret that result. Then if I want to take the difference also, it will give you a number. Then also I will be in a position to interpret it. And if I want to order it also, it is possible. I can order it in an ascending or a descending form, right? So here income is a variable which satisfy all these three properties. Then I can call it as a ratio scale variable. Suppose in the case of some other variables like gender and marital status. Let's take the case of gender. Suppose I have collected data from a male student from university college, that is x1 is male. The second respondent was a female, then I can mark that as x2, and the third one was also female, so x3 is female. Here gender, the values of gender, x1 male, x2 is female, x3 is female. If I want to take the ratio of this gender, what is the meaning of it? Male by female. Is it possible? No, actually it doesn't give you any sense, right? Male by female. If I am talking about the number of male and female, it will be fine, right? But I am talking about gender, not the number of male and female. And it is not possible to take the difference of male and female, right? And I can order it. I can't do it. I can order it. And it is same for the case of marital status. If the first respondent was a single one, the second one was a married one, and the third one was a divorcee. So how can I take the ratio of single by married? Or how can I take the difference between single and divorcee? How can I order it? So these are the questions relating to certain variables which are not satisfying the three properties. These kind of variables are known as nominal scale variables, right? So I hope all of you are understood, and if you have any further queries, please let me know. Thank you for listening me.